Hello viewers, how are you? Today I will show you another tutorial, and this tutorial is about how to delete or add an element on Breezing Form, and this is very simple. You just open up your Breezing Form component. Here I am. Then I will go for manage forms, this one. Though my form name is appointment, so I will click on it. Then here is three section. One is page, section and element. This is the main form name. Then I will go for page, then I will go for untitled section, and on section I will see different type of elements. So if I want to add an element, I just click element option. You see a element is added. So this is how you can add it. After add, you just click save, and this element will be added. And I will give you a link how to add an element. Actually I have added captcha previous tutorial with one of my tutorials, so you can easily understand how can you add it. You just choose your type and then just put a label name. This is called label. Actually this is label, and just put a name, your field name, and you give a size and maximum length or height. And if you want to use any validation, most of the times it is no validation, and if you want to record, you just check it. And there is advanced section, and if it is a password field, then you will choose it. It is a read only field, just choose it. Mail back, just choose it. And other some options you can check it. So next I will show how can you delete it. This untitled element, you just right button on it, right button of your mouse, click on it, and you will see option called delete. If you just click delete, press left button of it and just check save. As my form is already ready, so I will not add it again. So you know how easy it is. I hope you can do it personally. So if you have any question, you can ask me through my Skype address. It is given on my video preview. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.